Hello guys, this is me and this is my dinner and this is my sweetheart Hasanat. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long time, actually YouTube, what happened, YouTube due to some strikes, they actually blocked my channel for some time, and then I sent them an email saying that I did not violate the community guidelines. So they actually reactivated my channel. So guys, I'm now going to shoot videos once in a while. So guys, today actually the dinner is served. This is the live chicken. Here's a place they sell live chickens. They slaughter on the spot in front of you. This is chicken curry, and this is we call him qabuli. Is made of rice, raisin, and carrot. And this is called see guys, this is dampukht. And this is French fries. This is my salad. Guys, let me try. How it tastes. You know guys, I love food. I love good foods. Yeah. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Yeah, it tastes very good. Let me put some
Very good.
sauce on it. Yeah.
Very
See?
good. Very good.
Yeah. Yes. Delicious.
Very good.
This is qabuli.
Very good. Very good.
Same rice, but it has two different flavors. Guys, thank you very much. So my next videos will be about the inspections. You know, the safety inspections for the cars in Maryland State. So guys, I will shoot more informative videos about that. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.